People, it's me, Kinghuman. Listen up. There's something that's pretty shitty going down, and I gotta give you a heads up on it so you don't get hurt. Watch this video. Okay, here's what's doing. There's a product that came out, and oh my God. What it does is it makes videos from little bits and pieces of videos, and it, you know, it just kind of stitches them all together and makes a video, right? Okay. The problem is the guys that are selling this video software, and it just came out yesterday, right? The guys that are selling this are telling you to go out on the internet and steal other people's videos. Just use them, just abduct these video clips and import them into the software, and you know, it'll stitch it all together, and boom, you've got an ad for Facebook. Well, here's the thing. 2 words: copyright violation. You know, when somebody's telling you it's okay to just go out and steal other people's videos just because they're on the internet, they have no concept of copyright law. So, and the reason this is important is because so many people do not understand copyright law. They think they do because they've heard anecdotes, but they've never picked up a single freaking law book. They've never studied it. They have no freaking clue. But they want to believe what they want to believe. So here's the thing. There are videos out there that are Creative Commons, meaning they can be used. But not all Creative Commons is approved for commercial purposes. It's very complicated. I'm not going to give you legal advice here. What I'm doing is telling you to cover your ass and be careful. When somebody comes out and tells you, hey, it's all good, just go grab whatever you can find, any video on the internet, and, you know, put it into this software, and it'll use bits and pieces, and because it's actually creating something unique, in other words, a bunch of clips, a bunch of stolen clips, then copyright law doesn't apply. Bullshit! Freaking idiots are gonna get you in trouble. So cover your ass. If you don't understand the copyright law, find out. Don't listen to somebody that's trying to sell you their piece of software, because that's their motivation. Now here's the thing. I contacted these chuckleheads and I told them, look, here's the law. I sent them the case law. I emailed them the freaking case law that showed them what they were telling people was freaking dangerous, not only to the people that are listening to them, but it's dangerous to them because they're exposing themselves to huge liability by telling people it's kosher, just go out and steal whatever you want. Oh my God. So I emailed them and said, look, you guys are really off the mark on this. They emailed me back and they said, oh, well, we're going to include a little thing. We meant to say you can go out and steal other people's videos if you add a credit to the end of the video, crediting where you stole the clips from. As if that makes it legal. It does not. You are still stealing intellectual property. And these people are dangerous if that's the kind of advice they're giving out. Oh, it's okay. Just go steal whatever you want. As long as you put a credit on the end of your production, it's okay to steal whatever you want. Idiots are gonna get people in big, big freaking trouble. If you don't know the law, there are a lot of free legal forums out there. Go on any free legal forum. You can talk to an attorney for free and ask him. Freaking imbeciles. All right, donate a few bucks to St. Jude's Research Hospital for Kids. I'm looking out for you guys, right? Who else does? Everybody else is out there promoting this. Okay, I'm gonna have a thrombo.